chapter number 1 to chapter number 3 from a Maths NCERT book. Today we are going to start with revision questions from chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Chapter number 1 is knowing our numbers. In this chapter we have learned about international place value system, reading and writing numbers, face value, place value, expanded form, formation of numbers, using commas, then smallest and greatest digit numbers, then estimation, word problems on large numbers and Roman numerals. In this chapter we have studied so many topics. Now chapter number 2 is whole numbers. In whole numbers we have studied about what are natural numbers, whole numbers. Few questions we discussed like write 3 consecutive whole numbers, predecessor, successor, what comes after, before, and we studied about 4 properties of whole numbers: closure property, associative property, commutative property and distributive property over addition and subtraction. We have learned some questions based on these 4 properties like find the sum and product using suitable rearrangement. So in this chapter we have studied all about this. So now let us start with the revision questions. So let us start with revision questions from chapter number 1 and 2. Question number 1, determine the following products by suitable arrangement. A bar 4 into 692 into 25. You have to do in that way arrangement. If you multiply 2 numbers, at last you should get 0. Why? To reduce our calculation. So let us multiply 4 into 25. 4 into 25 into 692. 4 into 25, that is 100 into 692. So answer is 69200. Question number 2, find the value of the following. A bar 74356 into 92 plus 74356 into 8. This question is based on distributive property over addition. What is the property? A into B plus C, where we multiply A into B plus A into C. You multiply outer number by first number, then outer number by second number. So here A is common. So this question is based on this distributive property. So let us take common 74356. 74356 into 92 plus 8. So 74356 into 100. So answer is 7435600. Question number 3, find the following sum by suitable rearrangements. A bar 837 plus 509 plus 363. You have to add 2 numbers together. If you add, at last 0 should come. Our target is to get the 0 at last, just to reduce our calculation. So let us see the digit at ones place. 7, 9, you will not get 0. 7 and 3. So let us take these 2 numbers together. 837 plus 363 plus 509. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 3, 9 and 1, 10. 3 plus 8, 11 and 1, 12. 1200 plus 509. Answer is 1709. Question number 4. Find the value of the following. A bar 93 into 63 plus 93 into 37. So this question is based on distributive property over addition. So here if you notice 93 common, write it outside, into 63 plus 37. 93 into 63 plus 37, that is 100. Answer is 9300. B bar 1598 into 362 minus 1598 into 262. So this question is based on distributive property over subtraction. So let us see here. 1598 common. Write it outside. 1598 into 362 minus 262. So 1598 into subtract, that is 100. Answer is 159800. Question number 5. Find the following products using suitable properties. A bar 1938 into 99. We have to use here suitable property. So this question can be done by distributive property over subtraction. Why? Because 99 can be break as 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1. Now open the bracket. 1938 into 100 minus 1938 into 1. So now multiply 193,800 minus 1938. So let us subtract 193800 1938. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 3 6. 17 minus 9 8. 2 minus 1 1. 9 and 1. Answer is 191862. Now B bar 1005 into 188. This question can be done by distributive property over addition. Why? Because 1000 can be break as 1005 can be break as 1000 plus 5 into 188. Now multiply 1000 into 188 plus 5 into 188. So it is coming 188000 plus 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. So right here 188940. Now question number 6. Write Roman numeral for each of the following. Before doing this, you all should know all these Roman numerals. So now let us do A bar. 97. You have to write in expanded form. 90 plus 7. So 90, how it is written as? XC. And 7 is written as VII. B bar 159. 159 expanded form 100 plus 50 plus 9. 100 is written as C. 50 is written as L. 9 is written as IX. Now C part 442. So 400 plus 40 plus 2. 400 is written as CD. 40 is written as XL. And 2 is written as II. Question number 7. Estimate the sum 12,904 plus 2,888 by estimating the numbers to the nearest. First part, tens. Whenever we have to find out estimation by tens, we always see the number at ones place. If the number is greater than 5, what we do? We put 0 at ones place, and just before digit, that is 10th digit, we add plus 1. And whenever the number is less than 5, we simply put 0 at ones place. So let us solve this question. The number is 12,904. At ones place, number is less than 5. What you will do? You will simply put 0 at ones place. Next number we have 2,888. So at ones place we have number more than 5. Just before 10th digit will be plus 1. So answer will be 2890. So just add, it will be 0, 9, 17, 5 and 1. Answer is 15,790. Second part, estimate to their nearest hundreds. Whenever we have to estimate to nearest hundreds, we see the digits at tens place. If a number is less than 5, we simply put 0 at tens place and ones place. If the number is more than 5, what we do at tens place and ones place, we put 0, 0 and 100 place will be plus 1. Let us check. 12,904. So tens place number is 0. So answer is 12,900. Next number 2,888. Tens place number is more than 5. 100 place will be plus 1. So 2,900. So now let us add 0, 0, 8, 5, 1. Answer is 15,800. Third part, estimation to nearest thousands. For nearest thousands, we see the digit at hundreds place. If a number is less than 5, we simply put 0, 0, 0 at 100 tens and ones place. If a number is more than 5 at 100 place, we will put 0, 0, 0 at 100 tens and ones place and plus 1 at thousands place. So let us solve here. 12,904. 100 places 9. So plus 5 at thousands place. It will be 13,000. Then 2,888. 100 place number is more than 5. 1000 place will be plus 1. So it will be 3,000. So now add. Answer is 00061. So answer is coming 16,000. Question number 8. Insert comma suitably and write the numbers in words in International System of Numeration. So before doing this question, let us look at International Place Value Chart. In International Place Value Chart, we have 3 periods. Ones, thousands and millions. Ones period has 3 places. Ones, tens, 100. Then thousand period has 3 places. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then millions period has 3 places. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. In International Place Value System, we place commas after 3 digits from the right. Ones, tens, 100 will place comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 will place comma. Then 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So now let us do question number 8, first part. 506723. Insert commas. So let us place commas here. Ones, tens, 100. Let us write at top. Ones, tens, 100. Place comma. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So answer will be 500, 6,000, 723. 723. Question number 9. Write the face value and the place value of underlined digit in the numeration. So students, what is face value? Face value is the actual value of the digit and place value is face value into place. So let us do this question. 6038124. Underlined digits are 6, 3, 8 and 2. What is the face value of 6? It will be 6. So let us write their places at top. Ones, tens, 100, comma. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. And million. So 6 face value is 6 and place. Place is million. So 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next underlined digit is 3. So face value of 3 is 3. And place is 10,000. So right here 3 into, it is 10,000. Right here 10,000. So answer is 30,000. Place value of 3 is 30,000. Next digit we have here 8. So right here face value is 8. 8 into 1,000. So place value is 8,000. Next underlined digit is 2. Face value is 2 and place value is 2 into 10. That is 20. Students, these are the places and we have to find out place value. Face value into place, that is place value. Question number 10. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. First we have to write down the greatest number and the least number. So let us write here greatest number. So let us make the greatest number by arranging in descending order. 7, 6, 4, 3, Now least number we have to arrange in ascending order, छोटे से बड़ा. So that will be 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So now we have to find out their difference of greatest and the least number. So 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So subtract 12 minus 7, 5. It will be 2, 12 minus 6, 6. So it will be 3, 13 minus 4, 9. So it will be 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Answer is 52,965. Next question. Write next 3 consecutive numbers of 598. Next 3 consecutive numbers means इसके बाद के 3 numbers. 598, then 599, 600 and 601. Question number 12. Write predecessor and successor of 600. Predecessor is just like before, -1, and successor is like after, +1. So what will be the predecessor? Predecessor of 600 will be, means -1, that will be 599. And successor of 600 will be +1, that is 601. Next question. Write 2 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. We have to write down 2 whole numbers occurring just before. So we will subtract 10,001 minus 1, that will be 10,000, and next number will be 9999. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have missed your good Imam's class. So chapter number 1 and 2 revision questions we have completed. If you missed chapter number 1 and 2 in detail, you can check the description box, the links are there. You can go through it and revise each and every exercise. So now I'll continue in the next class. Stay connected, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.